Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Keep your Chromebook updated to the latest version for stability and features. Check for updates in settings and restart when prompted to apply changes. Sign in with a Google account and enable an additional account for family or work use. Manage guest mode and lock screen preferences to protect privacy. Set a custom wallpaper from the gallery or a local image for personalization. Choose a dark or light system theme to reduce eye strain in different lighting conditions. Pin apps to the shelf and reorder them by dragging icons to preferred positions. Right-click an app to unpin or open in a new window for layout control. Adjust shelf behavior and auto-hide to gain screen space when you need it. Open settings to change touchpad sensitivity and enable 3-finger swipe gestures for switching tabs. Enable or disable tap-to-click to match your comfort level. Set keyboard repeat delay and repeat rate for faster typing and shortcuts. Install Chrome extensions and manage permissions from Chrome / extensions to add functionality safely. Use the Play Store to install Android apps and configure app permissions individually. Enable Linux Beta to run developer tools and alternative desktop apps if you need them. Check settings for site permissions, camera and microphone access, and location controls to protect privacy. Use Power Wash to reset the device when troubleshooting severe software issues. Set battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.